Hello, everybody. It's me again, Eric the Social Butterfly Martin, and I'm back on Pensacola Beach for another weekend of fun in the sun. We're having a great time today, and all my friends are here. Some of them are eating. Show you. And there's some more of my friends.
Oh no.
And so we just, enjoying ourselves. Let me let y'all see the water.
Here goes again.
I'm doing a video for my YouTube channel.
It's worth $100. I think it's the first year we were there.
And yeah, so I just want to let you know we're having a good time today, and I hope that someday y'all can try to come down to this beach, because look at this sugar white sand. Yeah, we have one of the best beaches in the world, so come down to Pensacola.